Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will see how we can remove the Samsung account without email verification. So for that you need to open up your settings on your phone, and in your settings scroll down and find this option of accounts and backup. Since I'm using MI phone, so I don't have it as it is appears on Samsung phone. So after opening up accounts and backup on your settings, just find this option of manage apps, just click on it and then click on emails after that. And after that you will be able to find this option of remove account, just click on it. And since we don't have the password, we won't be able to remove the account as of now. So what we will do is we will just go back and open up Play Store, and in our Play Store we will search for quick shortcut maker, and after that just open it up and install this app. And after installing this app, just open this app, and here in this option of input keyword to filter, you need to search for Samsung account. And after you search for Samsung account, you will be able to find that there will be many options with Samsung account, and you have to just scroll down and find the option with Samsung account and sign out associated or the accompanied by Samsung account. So there will be Samsung account and sign out option together. Just click on it, and after that you will be able to see a different screen where you have to click on app info. And after clicking on app info, you will be able to see three lines or the three dots on the top right corner. Just click on it, and after that click on uninstall updates, but always make sure that you have appropriate backup before doing this process, since your account or your data might get lost forever. So have backup of your data before doing this process, and after that you will be able to remove Samsung account without email verification. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.